Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at the smallest LEGO Technic set of January 2024, the set number 42163 Heavy-duty Bulldozer, and this set reminds me the set from 2009, also very similar dozer, but in this set the blade is constructed out of Technic pieces and the set contains a bit more pieces and has better details, better view, just a few pieces less than 200 in this set. And here we have one function, and this function is actually the same as in older dozer. And inside the box we have three bags with pieces, one separate bag for tracks and one 9-stud long axis, and of course building instructions, and unfortunately no B model like in other new LEGO Technic sets. Here you can see all the pieces from this set because the building process consists of only one step, and here we have a lot of yellow pieces including some beams and a few types of connectors. I like it because I like construction equipment, and these pieces will be very useful for my own creations. Also here we have 6 gears, one worm gear and a lot of small track links, but these links are the same as in small set from previous year, a red rat rack, so probably it's not a rare piece anymore because actually I have, I think, 2 rat racks, and now in new 2024 year we have these pieces once again. The building process is finished, and here we have small and cute dozer. It has 2 functions. The first function, we can move it, and surprisingly tracks worked perfectly on very flat surface. I'm really surprised, it's very nice. We can steer it, of course, the model is very light, and we can also do this turns. It's very funny actually. And the second function, we can elevate the blade. This is the lowest position and tracks still work in this position, and this is the highest position, maybe too high, but it's okay for playing with this model. The function works quite fast. You can just a little bit rotate this handle and the blade is elevated, so it will be very easy to play with model, and it looks nice to my mind. Nothing special, but it's really cute toy. And regarding the functions, it's a little bit strange that we have this dozer next year after rat rack, which I already mentioned today, because it has the same function but worse, I can say, because old rat rack from previous year, it had not just elevation of the blade, but also we could rotate blade from side to side, and here we have next year the same function, I can say, but not so interesting like previous year. Maybe it could be better to introduce this set maybe next year, and in 2024 introduce something else. It's just my opinion. You can share your opinion in the comments below this video. And regarding the pieces, nothing special here, no new pieces, no pieces in new color. You can just download the building instructions from the official LEGO website and construct this model out of your already out of pieces that you already have. So yeah, nothing rare here. And I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!